Hello guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be going through GameStop, talking about its price, touching upon the most recent reverse repo numbers, and then going into some DD on Reddit about price manipulation and some evidence behind that. So before we get anything else, it may be Friday the 13th today, but it's a good day for GameStop. Doesn't seem too unlucky at all. We're actually up on the day, almost 1/4%. You can see we started the day at $161 a share, went down to 157, and then rebounded pretty strongly and is at 162. And if we just take this back a little bit, this has been the highest it's been in a couple of days, but stopped on the downward trend that it has been for the last few days. Just before we get into the main body of this video, I just want to say thank you for the support on the previous video. It's actually going to be my best video ever in terms of views and likes, so that is really appreciated. I think it's going to probably get over 150 likes, which is absolutely madness. I just want to say thank you very much for liking the video and giving support and spreading the word out as best as I can and the best as you guys can. So I just want to say thank you for that. Hopefully this video will get the same amount of likes because you guys enjoy the content. Okay, so this is on Thursday, the 12th of August. This is the reverse repo for that date, and you can see we actually hit a record of 1.087 billion. So that is actually the highest amount it has ever been. This is a new record, which I believe the previous one was. Sorry, did I say billion? I meant trillion there. 1.087 trillion. And this beats the previous record by quite a few billion. And if we look at today's numbers, you can see it's not a record, 1.05 trillion, but still over that trillion mark. So the number is definitely increasing. So expect to see more highs in the coming weeks and months. So what is the main point of this video? We have this post by the Dude 007, and this is proof of price expression and its source and a few other things. So what does this do? Well, he took a note of this screenshot here, which is GameStop, and it's a bunch of level 2 options. Sorry, these are trades that have come up, and you can see here at the bottom we've got MEMX with 2,500 at a bid price of $1.10, which is causing downward pressure because obviously if the bid is very, very low, then the market will lower the price. And if we just close that down and then scroll down, 2,500 shares for $1.10. What is this order? It came from MEMX. And what is MEMX? I'll call it. It is a company which is rising the ranks. This is from the screenshot of their website. And how are we different? MX offers a simpler platform with features that both benefit retail and institutional investors, including a limited number of order types to promote simple and transparent transactions, investments in the best and latest technology to deliver fast and efficient execution, low pricing on market data, connectivity, and transaction fees. As a member-owned equity trading platform, MX represents the interest of its members and their collective client base, comprised of retail and institutional investors on the US market structure issues. So why would you use this company is what this Redditor is speculating. Well, here is a list of codes and their corresponding transaction fees, and what they want to draw your attention to is Coach is code Z. And you can see here's all the transaction fees and the type of things that are on offer. Routed to another market and removed liquidity. So it lowers liquidity in the market, which is obviously a bad thing. And who funds this operation? Well, apparently everyone. Bank of America, BlackRock, Charles Schwab, good pals at Citadel, Citi, Saks, Fidelity, JP Morgan. The list goes on and on and on and on. So that is definitely a company that we need to keep an eye on and see if this keeps on happening. Then the next thing they wanted to touch upon was this PYTH network that tracks and trades real-time using Bitcoin encryption. And I would say look in this in your own time, but this is saying that the price of GameStop is actually over $2,500 and is even hit as high as $5,000. But I haven't really looked into that myself. I would say have a look in your own time. But I'll provide the link in the bottom of the chat below. And oh, and here we go. And where there's more, sorry, but wait, there's more. Now we have GameStop compared to another stock is movie stock. This was originally removed in another subreddit. It's AMC. I don't know why we're trying to hide this. It's pretty silly that GameStop and AMC are fighting. I mean, we're all the same under, fighting the same cause, really, whether it's via GameStop or AMC. Now, personally, I believe a lot more in GameStop than AMC. That's just me, although I do own both stocks. I just think that they both have the chance, but GameStop is the one I believe in more. And if you can see here, look at the price for that day. They both hit the same amount, quite a high point at 2:10 p.m. Then immediately after, a short attack, and this is a coordinated attack from MX on both sides. So these stocks are very, very linked. And I suppose that is all I wanted to bring you today. I would say look into that Pi DD more yourself. I was just bringing that because I saw that and found it interesting. But definitely, these companies are involved in lowering prices and affecting the markets through these sort of tricks, really. Yeah, don't really have much more to say on that, but GameStop and AMC are linked at the hip as always. Right, guys, just want to say thank you for watching. Please give a like on the video if you enjoyed it. I also got some feedback on terms of thumbnails and clickbaity. I'm not trying to be clickbaity on these videos. I just want to try and make sure that I get the message out as best I can. So, please give me feedback if you think I'm pushing boundaries or anything like that. I do want to hear it. I'm still new to this YouTube game and want to make sure that the people who watch me, the audience that cares about this content and cares about GameStop, don't feel hard done by what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to bring the best DD and information that I can, which I find out there online. So thank you very much for the feedback, and hopefully I can keep bringing the good word of GameStop. So I'll catch you guys next time.